Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the remote computer requires network level authentication and its spider web Windows domain controller cannot be contacted to perform NLA. If you are an administrator on the remote computer, you can disable NLA by using the option guys on the remote tab on the assistant properties dialog box. Let's jump straight into it guys. For that, open up file explorer, right click on this PC, right click on it and select properties and go to advanced system settings, and in here you need to go to remote tab and you need to select allow remote connection to this device and click OK. And you just need to uncheck the box allow connection only from computer running remote desktop with internet network level authentication. Just need to uncheck the box and apply and OK. And that's all you have to do guys. That's it, apply and OK, close out of here. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.